Among balay, ang among atok, ang among bintana, ang among portahan, ang among kwarto, ang among bungbong, ang among hagdanan. Perting lingina, ang among lamisa, ang among bangko, ang among aparador, ang among lantay, ang among kabinet, ang among takuri, ang among kutsilyo. Perting lingina, ang among puros, lingin lang gihapon,
para snack lang ako.
She want request a
Snack.
snack.
Snaps.
Yes, I cannot go outside because I am
Eye
operated
Oh,
cataract.
cataract.
Yes, that's why I'm always go
Inside the
here
house.
inside the house. And I'm lonely because I am alone. Manong Nardo going to the mountain and he will come back at least mga 4 or 5 o'clock. That's why
That's
I'm
why
here
she's alone.
alone.
It's good.
Wala. Bila.
What kind of fish is it?
Milkfish.
Milkfish.
Yeah. Milkfish, bangus.
You like it,
Bangus.
man?
Bangus.
Panos.
Yes. Milkfish. This one?
I like it, yes.
Eat that?
I eat a big one before. Yes. I like it too. Bye. Yes, I like it.
La 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 lo la 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 lo la 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 lo la 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 lo la. Ang aking lolo, sige lang pagwapo, isang wala na siya'y buhok sa iyang ulo. Ang aking lula kay maglagot niya, kay ang chicks puwerte man jud niyang pilita. Sige pa madabi ka ng ulo, kay kaihina, mauka na sa lolo. Ang akong lulo nga gwapo, ang tigulang, bisag bako. Maning kamot, mubarog, mutindog, aron mo labyog. Ang tigulang, bisag bako. Maning kamot, mubarog, mutindog, aron mo labyog. Karon si Lula na sana nagpagwapa, ramong tagpulbos, lipstick, magmaskara. Unya si Lolo, pwede ang laguta, kay si Lula magsulob na di ay mubuka saya. Sige lang parang pabisan, ang urog ng tuhod niya, mauka na si Lula. Ang akong Lula nga gwapa, ang tigulang, bisag bako. Maring kamot, mubarog, mutindog, aron mo labyog. Ang tigulang,
That is 4 by 8 by 16. The size of hollow block is 4 by 8 by 16, and this one 6 by 8 by 16.
Oh, you have two sizes.
Two sizes.
Now they first have to clean.
Yeah. Before leaving the here's the little bike for pitch
What?
the water
Which bike?
to pitch.
Ah, for pitch.
Yeah.
Ah, you're fishing water.
Using a little bike.
Ah, and there, that is yours. Here you are sitting in.
No, I will not sit in here.
Oh,
Walang. Hoy. Video
Hey.
na, hoy.
I'm filming. I'm filming you.
Nakinig daw.
Huh?
I say, you are filming in my brother.
Yeah, you together? Together film? You wanted to see? What did you see? Okay.
Kino. Lang.
Okay. So you can see, I can turn it around. You can see the film. What's that? That kind of tree?
That is so-called fine tree. Fine tree.
Fine tree.
Yeah. Another kind of fine tree.
And that is cocos nut. That's
Coconut.
Coconut tree.
Coconut.
where we go now.
This is,
Yeah.
yeah,
But
small
there in
house.
Holland, there are also some chicken.
Yes, of course. There are many chickens, but not in the way you have.
So your meal is some chicken when you eat your meals.
Many times we eat chicken. Yes, it is.
Then you have also a so-called grilled chicken. Grilled chicken.
Yes, we have.
I see.
We eat grilled chicken too.
Yeah.
Ah, you see it. You can do it very close.
They are eating. Your usual meals, especially in breakfast, what are they? We kill and then we grill. You want? He made a fire for to grill the fish.
You do it.
At kung ikaw masayo ug paminahon mo kay kun pananglit yang iran mo mga panumpaw pasalig ko ug kun nugaling galit kang mubiya di ko kapugngan walog ni mga luha kay ikaw Handumon ko matagkaronog unya. Ikaw langit ug yuta akong pinangga.